What is a simple way to clean the drain pipe? We introduce the trio of drain pipe cleaner. A drain cleaner adaptable to all drainages and unclog the drain pipe. A hair catcher adaptable to a drainage with pop-up stopper and preventing clogged drain pipe once installed. A drain net adaptable to a drainage with detachable stopper and able to clean the drain pipe without touching hair. We'll introduce it in detail. Unclog the drain pipe. Drain cleaner. A drain cleaner can be simply used for every type of drainages. Fold in half the drain cleaner with a spinous edge, a body, and a handle. The spinous edge at the end of the drain cleaner frees its movement up and down in the drain pipe. The spinous edge perfectly removes the hair without just pushing it. The slit type of the spinous edge never misses the hair once caught. This drain cleaner is the most reasonable choice of all disposable drain cleaners. Fold it in half from the head with a piece of cloth or cotton. Starting from the end of the cleaner, push it inside the drain pipe. Move up and down to remove the waste inside the drain pipe. Just fold it in half to remove the hair instead of taking it off. Flexible and free handling. Drain cleaner. Preventing clogging of the assembled stopper drainage. Hair catcher. Preserve the drain pipe by simply putting this at first. Cleaning is over if you just replace it from 2 weeks to a month after putting it there. Hair catcher, which prevents to unclog the drainage, is disposable by replacing it from 2 weeks to a month. The spinous edge of the product grabs the hair tightly. This hair catcher keeps the exterior neat as this hangs inside the drain. Zero chemicals, zero drain damage, zero wastes. First, remove the shield of the product from the bottom to the head. By holding the body part with a hand, push it inside the drain pipe. Hang the handle of the product on the cap of the drain. The slit of the spinous part catches the hair, not to flow down the drain pipe. After hanging it from 2 weeks to a month, take it out of the drain by holding the handle. Throw away the used and replace it with a new one. Simply replace it regularly from now on. Hair catcher. Clean the stacked hair on the drainage with the detachable stopper clean and simple without touching. Drain net. Cleaning the drainage, fold it, put it in, and take it out. Done. There are 2 types of the drain net for each drain size. Prevent the clogged drain pipe simple and clean with the proper size. Keep the drainage clean with a simple and affordable price. First, holding the handle, fold it in 90 degrees. Put it in the drain socket. Simply remove it from the socket once it's full of wastes and hair, and put the new one. No need to touch the hair. Drain net. You can have the drain clean, simple, and easy.